Morning children, how are you? Are you happy? Okay, previous day I have given you some homeworks. I am sure that you might have done it, isn't it? Okay, good children. Did you find out the age difference between grandma and Ammu? Grandma is 70 years old and Ammu is 11 years old. I told you to find out the difference between 70 and 11. Did you find out? Difference is 59. Okay. Today we are going to take maths page 40. Everybody take the page 40, maths page 40. Then I will read the question. We are going to do one word problem in page number 40. You also read that question. Of the 686 grains that the tiny ant collected, he gave 247 grains to the baby squirrel and 225 grains to the pretty parrot. How many grains are left with the tiny ant? Do you know what is ant? Urumbu. You might have seen the grain, an ant take the grains and they keep it for using later. When they will not get food, they will keep for that period. Okay. What is the total number of grains the ant took? 686 grains. No. Then look here. You read the question once more. Then the total number of grains collected. How many grains collected? 686 grains are collected altogether. Total. Then out of these 686 grains, the ant, what did he do? He gave 247 grains to baby squirrel. Do you know squirrel? Annan. Here 247 grains were given to baby squirrel. Then again there came a pretty parrot. To pretty parrot also the ant gave some grains. How many? 265 grains were given to pretty parrot. Do you know parrot? No? Tatta. Okay. Then what we have to find out is, read, how many grains are left with the ant? How many grains are left with the ant? Before finding out this answer, I will tell you one simple example. Suppose I have 10 chocolates with me. Out of these 10 chocolates, I gave 4 chocolates to one child. How many? 4 chocolates to one child. Again, there came another child, and to that child also I gave 3 chocolates. First one I gave 4 chocolates and second one I gave 3 chocolates. How many chocolates I gave in all? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 chocolates I gave. Total number of chocolates are 10. Out of this 10 I gave 7 chocolates to children. Then can you find out how many chocolates are left with me now? Total number 10. I gave 4 plus 3, 7 chocolates to 2 children. After 7, how many chocolates are left? 8, 9, 10. 3 chocolates are left with me. Like that, in simple example, you can find this answer also. Total number of grains 686. After that, how many grains the ant gave to baby squirrel and the parrot? See, the total number of grains given is 247 plus 265. Let us add it here. 247 plus 265. 7 plus 5, 12. 12, 2 ones and 1 10. 2 ones you write in ones place and 1 10 give to tens place. Then add 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. There also 1, 1 and 1, 10 and 100. 100 you give to hundreds place. Then add 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. We got the number of grains given to baby squirrel and parrot. How many? 512 grains were given to both of them. Then, number of grains left. How many grains are left with the ant now? For that, we have to subtract from 686 total number minus total number minus grains given. Can you find out total number? You know 686. Number of grains given is 512. You subtract 512 from total number 686. Let us subtract. (686) minus 512. 6 minus 2. Take 6 and take away 2. 4. 8 minus 1. Keep 8 keep in mind. We take away or subtract 1. We will get 7. 6 minus 5. Take 6 figures and take away or remove 5 fingers. 1 is left. How many grains are left? 174 grains are left with the ant. Understand? Okay. Page number 40. We have to do another problem also. Midday meal. In school, children are given midday meals. For that, rice and other things are kept in the school. In a school, Ammu school, every day a nutritious meal is given to students in Ammu school. You read that question. 391 kg of rice. Kg means kilogram. 391 kilogram of rice are needed for 5 days. After 3 days, 58 kg of rice was left. Then you see total number of total amount, quantity. Needed for 5 days is equal to 391 kilogram. After 3 days, 150 kg of rice was left. Then you have to find out how much rice is used for 3 days. You subtract 158 kilogram from 391 kilogram. You subtract that and find out the answer. Okay, let us wind up our class today, and you do that rest of the problem. I will give you some homeworks also.